How to enable cash out withdraw. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can enable cash out withdraw, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to withdraw your money or maybe even a Bitcoin from Cash App and then you want to enable withdrawal, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, in order to be able to enable withdraw, you have to link a payment method such as your bank or your card. And in order to do this, what you can do is just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Under it you'll find the section known as link to banks. Just make sure to tap on it. Now you can choose to simply link your debit card or your bank. If you have debit card, of course you can select link a debit card, and then you can simply enter your debit or credit card number, tap the link card option to link them successfully. But if you don't have a card and then you want to simply link directly your bank account, you can select the no card option here, and then you can simply go ahead and then connect your bank account using the online or mobile banking. Then you'll be successfully able to link them and then withdraw your money. Next time whenever you want to withdraw your money, what do? You just come here over here. Once you just come here, you can simply go to your cash tab. Once you go to your cash tab, you'll be able to withdraw them by tapping the cash out option over here. This way you'll be able to enable cash out withdraw. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.